In this video, we'll show you how to create a backup of the configuration for an Access Server Docker deployment. Access Server stores its configurations in SQLite database files, and this tutorial covers how to back up those files on the Docker Linux host. To follow along with the step-by-step instructions, visit our website at openvpn.net, click on Resources, then select Tutorials, and navigate to the Configuration section. There you'll find a link titled How to Backup Access Server Configuration on Docker. The first section covers the prerequisites, which are Access Server must be installed using Docker, and you must have access to the Docker Linux host console. You'll also need the ability to obtain root access. Next, we'll go over how to create the backup files. Use this command to create configuration file backups while the Access Server container is running. You don't need to stop the container for this process. The server can remain active. Keep in mind you need to replace data folder with the actual directory where your Access Server configuration files are stored when you installed the Docker image. If you're unsure of the data folder location, you can run this command to find it. Let me go ahead and copy this command and paste it into the terminal. Here we can see the directory we need to use. Now we can use this path for our data folder and run this command to create our Access Server configuration backup. Let's copy this and paste it in our terminal. After running the backup commands, you'll find files ending in .back inside the data folder directory. These backup files contain everything unique about your Access Server installation. Now, let's list the content of this folder, and there it is. This is our backup file. Next, check out our video on how to restore Access Server configuration on Docker.